Hi everyone, it's Nisha. So today I have a ZARA haul for you. I still have it all in a box, so I haven't even taken it out of the box. So we will be trying it together. I've ordered quite a few linen pieces. I absolutely love summer linen. I know it's love and hate. A lot of people hate it because of the creasing, but I think that's the linen character and everybody expects it to be a bit creased. But I just like the look of the linen and the feel. I think it looks carefree, trendy, but at the same time you look quite put together and you just look cool. Now everything that I will show you, I will put it under one link, one for US, one for UK. Just click that link and all the items will be there. Let me just quickly talk you through my jewelry. This is quite a new piece from Midsummer London. So only this and this little choker are from Midsummer London. The other two chains are from QVC that I bought a while ago and they are not available anymore. I have 3 bracelet here as well, and these are from Midsummer. My earrings are from Midsummer. Midsummer is one of my favorite fashion jewelry store, and I think you need to enter Nisha Warren as a code to get 15% off your first order. And I'm not sure if I have to give you this specific link. This is not like an affiliated link. Anybody of you who goes and shops on Midsummer, they will send you link to share with your friends and family, and they get 15% off. And I think is it 15% or £15? I can't remember. And you get 15% off. Okay, the top I'm wearing is from Albaray. I will link that as well. And my jeans are, I think, last year's 7 for All Mankind. Let's get on with the try on haul. I see I have quite a lot of tops, so maybe I do the tops first, just with the jeans. I have this lovely flowery top. It has, I don't know if you can see, like a silver thread running through it, so let me put that on. So here it is. It has these sort of bell sleeves with a little frill. It has a tie, so you can tie it up, and can you see it goes like this, and it has a frill at the bottom, but you could easily tuck it in. I think it's really nice, really cute for a summer top. I got that one in size medium. Oh, by the way, what I've got on my feet at the moment is these. These are just rubber flip-flops. I love rubber flip-flops. I have like 20 pairs of different colors because that's what I run around in every day in the summer, where I'm around the house. And these are so nice. They come in sizes like 2 to 3, 4 to 5, 6 to 7, I think. So mine are 4 to 5 and I'm size 5, UK 5. And on the website it says that they are white. They are not white. I would call them bone. So it's that sort of off-white color, but they are really, really nice. So you can do it up like this, but I quite like it undone. Yeah, that's quite a nice top, and it will go with so many things, so I think I might keep that one. Okay, so this camisole is a linen camisole, and the top here, I don't know if you can see, it's like pleated, but the pleats are not sitting really straight. The whole thing actually doesn't sit very straight, does it? I don't know if I didn't make these even. Oh yeah, I think this one is a bit lower. But I'm not sure about this one. It's very, very pretty, but as you can see, the bottom bit is really see-through. And if you have a patterned see-through top, like that blouse I tried just before, you can't see. But this, you can see everything. And I don't know if I want people to see my rolls. Although, if I maybe wore something a bit more high-waisted, it would be better, because these jeans are just under my belly button, so but it is very, very pretty. So I would have to think about it, but it does look strange, doesn't it? It doesn't look straight. Okay, I've adjusted this one. It sort of looks straighter, I suppose, but the pleats, I don't know if you can see them. Hold on, can you see these pleats? They sort of go not straight. It might be must be my boobs. Yeah, so this one is maybe. So this outfit, trousers and a bandeau top. This top is Poplin. There is no stretch in it, so I got it in size large because of this situation, and it still feels like it's squashing me a bit. Not too bad, it's not uncomfortable, but I don't know, do my boobs look squashed? I don't know. It's blue with like cream pinstripes. It has a zip here on the side, and I got these linen mix trousers. These are beautiful. They are boot cut, really nice slim boot cut, quite long, so you need heels. I'm wearing these vinyl sandals from Zara that I bought a couple of years ago, but they still sell them. So have a look at these. Look what a lovely shape they have. Nice and slim boot cut, because sometimes you can have these really flared trousers and they are not always very flattering. They are not really see-through. I am wearing nude underwear and I can't see anything, so they're okay. And because it's a linen mix, they are a bit rough, but not rough that they are horrible and itchy. But you know what I mean, sometimes you can get actual linen that feels a bit like that, so that's what they feel like. They are high-waisted, but yeah, I think they are really nice. Okay, so this is another bandeau top. This one is really cute, sort of cut off shirt, because you've got the buttons down here and all these pleats here. This feels like a linen mix, maybe linen and cotton. I don't know if this looks okay with these trousers, but I quite like it. I think it's really, really cute. Feels actually nicer, and also if you have a bit of a problem in this area, as I often do with my bloating, this is really nice top to cover that. I think it would look nice with jeans as well. I suppose you could tuck it in as well if you wanted to, but yeah, this one is really nice, again because this doesn't have any stretch, and because of this area I got this one in large. They might have even said on the website that this comes up small, but often when it comes to tops like this without stretch, I would always go size up. So this is really cute top as well. This top, really pretty, sort of broderie on glaze. It has no lining, so you can see through those holes, but well, you can see a bit of your skin. Really pretty, but one thing that drives me crazy about it is the neckline. This is very high up. It's not tight, but I can feel it and it's annoying me. So I would have to fold it under and wear it like this. It looks much better just having a V-neck. Yeah, it's really cute. I like the frills on the shoulders because that's very good to balance your hips if you have wide hips like me. It's not too long, so it's not something that is going to cover your belly. You could tuck it in. Yeah, it's really nice, but this, it's very, very annoying. I don't even like the way it looks like this. but this is easily, if you just turn it up, it stays like that, no problem. Sorry, I just had to clip my hair up because I'm getting really hot trying all these clothes on. Right, this I absolutely love. So this linen trousers and waistcoat, or vest, whatever you call it. You know, all the cords are so in, matching trousers and tops. And I've never ever thought of wearing something like this, but I really, really like it. So this is in grey, because I have bought the same trousers in a different colour as well. As I told you, I love linen. These are not very high-waisted. Can you see they are just on my button? These are size medium and this is size medium, so I would say this is true to size. They are not very long, so you have to wear them really with flat shoes. I've just put on my very, very old sandals on. But yeah, have a look at that. I think it's really, really cute. And as you can see, I've taken it out of the box and it's only slightly wrinkled. It's not wrinkled like a lot of linen, you know. It's a nice, really nice quality linen. So I really love this outfit. I'm definitely keeping that. The trousers are quite nice shape. They are slightly, I would say, boot cut. Yeah, it's really cute. And also you can wear just the waistcoat with something else, with jeans or maybe white trousers, or you can wear the trousers with white top, another top, so you can make quite a few outfits just with these two pieces. Right, so I have the other pair of the same trousers that I just wore, the grey ones. They only come in two colors. I can't remember what color they call this, but it's like a dark khaki color. And this basic knit. So you see me very often wearing these very thin basic knits in different colors from Zara. So this is just like that, but this one is very sort of pale champagne gold. I don't know if you can see, it has a sparkle in it. And I think these two look really, really nice. You know, if you've got like a cool summer evening, you could wear these together. Now, these trousers seem longer than the grey ones, even though they are the same ones. And I prefer that because I could put small heel on, or if they shrink in a wash, the grey ones could be too short. So what I might do, I might actually order another pair of grey ones. You know, those sizes always vary. Maybe I get lucky and I get grey pair that is like this. And I might order the vest top to go with it, because I didn't order that for this pair of trousers, but I might do that because I really like that look. I really love that. You know, I like that sort of neutral color palette, so this is definitely my kind of look. Now, do you think this is too much? You know how I love my frills. So this is a bodysuit. It's just like a rib cotton and poplin frills. I suppose you could wear it off shoulders as well. I've never ever wore a bodysuit, and because it's not a full cover on your bottom, it's sort of like really high bikini. So I think depends what you're wearing, it could show. It's quite comfortable actually. I got this in large because I didn't want to get a wedgie all the time. So I'm wearing it with those linen trousers, but I've accessorized it with Ralph Lauren belt and Jeffrey Campbell shoes in the same color. I think they have tiny heel, but I think these trousers might be a bit too short for that heel. But yeah, have a look. So It's got just a small heel, but I think they have a bit of room to let them out, but maybe I would just have to wear them with flat sandals. Yeah, I really like it. You know I like frills. The more frills, the better. I'm such a 80s, early 90s child. Well, not child. I was a teenager in 80s. So frills, big shoulder pads, just give it to me. I still think that these were the best years anyway. Oh, I really like this shirt. So this is stretchy linen. It's really stretchy and it's gathered on the sides. I love the neckline of it. I probably would have the sleeves turned up a bit. I think it's more flattering. It gives really, really nice shape. I've ordered that in medium as well. And it's so soft and stretchy, really, really comfortable. Again, you can tuck it, you can probably tie a knot with it if you didn't want to wear it like this. So you don't have to wear it in that shape that it is. But I really, really like this one. It's so different. I love this gathering on each side, and I think it gives you really nice silhouette because it sort of accentuates your waist. So yeah, I really like it. This one is definitely a keeper. And while I'm here, I want to show you these Palazzo pants that I got from Mint Velvet. They are just amazing. I think this is such a gorgeous piece of clothing. Will go with so many things. You can wear it casual, you can dress them up. If you go on holiday, just amazing. So here they are. They are quite long, so I have them with high heel shoes. They have pockets. The fabric is just amazing, so I've put it on just quickly with this bodysuit. They are so flowy, look how they move. And you could dress it up with a belt. So for example, this is, I think this is from ZARA, but last year. You could put it with this gold belt, or I have another ZARA one of those raffia ones. I think they are gorgeous, but I cannot explain how wonderful they feel as well. So this was the last thing that I had to show you. I don't know yet what I'm going to keep. I'm definitely keeping the 2 pairs of linen trousers and the waistcoat and that champagne gold knit. The rest I'm not sure. I like to wait and watch this video myself because this is such a good way of seeing what you really look like in something, because you're looking at yourself as if someone else was looking at you. So I'm going to do that. But you are very welcome in comments to give me your opinion. You always give me good advice. You were the ones that made me keep that denim dress, remember, and I really like it. So feel free to comment what you liked, what you didn't like. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye.